Hi guys, this is Pallavi, and welcome to our chat show. We are going to be chatting with Shruti from Akshoba today. Just give me a minute and I'll trying to invite her. Shruti, can you? Shruti, did you receive the invite? Hi Shruti.
Hi, Pallavi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. How are you doing?
Good, good, thank you.
Yeah, you're welcome. So,
How
how are things?
all good, Shruti? So far, so good. You never know when situations change, but good for
Yeah,
now. How
that's
is it
right.
at your end?
Yeah, so far, so good. Taking it as it comes and going one day at a time.
Yeah, yeah, I think that's the best way to move forward. So
Yeah.
I was just going to let our audience know, whoever has joined as of now, that
Mm-hmm.
I mean, Akshoba has partnered with Our Better Planet, and we are very proudly representing your products on the platform. And I just wanted you to get started with a little bit of an introduction about what motivated you to start Akshoba, and then what is the typical product range that you have. Just a
Mm-hmm.
little bit of a brief over there for our audience. Yeah.
Yeah, so Aksoba was started with the sole intention of providing natural pain relief. So basically, we wanted to provide natural herbal pain relief, which replaces the regular gel packs or chemical products. So it started off with that single idea of providing pain relief through
Mm-hmm.
our products and services. So back at home, we were experiencing, like my mother and many people, having a lot of knee pain and general, daily life pains, etc. So we thought, let's try out these herbal packs, which help in relieving the pain, at least providing the, you know, immediate relief for them. So that's
Okay.
how we started, and we were experimenting with our family for over 2 to 3 years. And then in 2015, we decided to take it live because we saw that it was really helping many people with congestion, knee pain, neck pain, migraines, and much more.
Okay.
So
Okay.
then we decided to go live and we started everything in 2015. And yeah, so that's how it began. And of course, I'm a very passionate about going green. And so we also have a section which is about Britti, where we are replacing the use of plastic by our
Okay.
utility and lifestyle products. So
Okay.
these products are can be used in general kitchen usage or around the house.
Mm-hmm.
So yeah, slowly we started building on our catalog, but the main product which we started off with were our herbal therapy packs.
Okay. And your therapy packs are so what really goes inside? I mean, is it a essential oil or is it like a herb? Just a little
Yeah,
bit information around that would be nice. Yeah.
sure. So our packs are made of herb seeds and essential oils, and the
Okay.
outer covering is made of cotton fabric.
Mm-hmm.
So the herbs are treated, roasted with and soaked with essential oils and herbs, and then
Okay.
we fill the packs with this ingredient. And these herbal ingredients are very beneficial for providing hot therapy and cold therapy.
Okay. Okay. Yeah. So
Yeah.
even when I came across your brand, it was, I mean, it was very new to me because we are very tuned in to use those PU bags, right? The plastic ones
Yes.
for like for any kind of pain relief. You fill it up with hot water and then you use it. So this was something which was very different and new. And definitely, I'm sure it is much more sustainable because we are working with different things, right? You're working with heat at the same time you're working with essential oils, the benefits of essential oils and the herbs that are inside the. So what was the initial idea? I mean, how did it click to you that you should try something like this, or did you have anybody using it?
Yeah, I had seen a few people using the potli, in Ayurveda they use the potli, which is again
Right.
filled with all the herbs, but it is generally round in shape and you press it. Somebody has to
Correct,
do it
correct.
for you,
For you,
and
yeah.
you can't really do it on your own. So
Right.
that was, I mean, Ayurveda has been a big part of me. I mean, really connected to Ayurveda. I'm a lot of interest in using alternative therapy always. So
Mm-hmm.
that's how the whole idea came about. And of course, family was tried it on, used it for a very long time, and then only we brought it into the market.
Correct, correct. Yeah, now when you say I can relate it to those, even in the spas and all, they
Yeah,
sometimes use those potlis to
yeah.
relax a certain kind of a muscle. Yeah,
Right.
yeah.
So they also have, horse gram and all, which they fill in. Like back in olden times, they were using it. And it's a
Uh-huh.
very old traditional method. Just that
Okay.
now we have improvised it because the design is ergonomically designed such that
Mm-hmm.
for the specific problem, we have a specific pack.
Right, right. So you have a couple of them, right? You have something for the shoulder, and then you have something for the neck, and then there is one for the eye, right?
Yeah, we have totally around 10 packs,
Okay.
totally 10, and these are specifically for the different parts of the body. So, mainly we have for the eye, for the sinus, back, neck, shoulder, then knee
Okay.
pack. Yeah.
Okay. Okay. Yeah, sounds good. And so how do you, I mean, I understand it's a homegrown business, and now you are doing amazing for yourself, and I've read a lot about the products, and I've had the chance of actually feeling and seeing one also. So how do you really promote your products right now? I mean, of course you are listed on Our Better Planet and you're selling it through us, but how do you generally otherwise also promote your products? So what is the reach
So,
is what I want to understand. Yeah.
So, till the COVID pandemic situation, we used to have a lot of exhibitions, which we used to conduct almost 4 to 5 exhibitions in a year. We used to attend them, like the ones in
Mm-hmm.
Chitrakala Panchat, and which
Okay.
totally emphasizes on eco-friendly and go green products.
Correct.
But now, for the last 1.5 years, we are completely focusing on online marketing.
Mm-hmm.
So definitely it has helped us because we are able to reach far and wide. So the
Correct.
whole focus currently is through online marketing.
Okay. Okay. And you are also into providing certain kind of services, right? You are a Tai Chi expert yourself, right?
Yes, we
You
do have
trained.
license. Yes. So one part of Aksoba is services, which is completely focusing on providing healing through yoga, Tai Chi. But for the
Right.
last 1.5 years, we are completely focusing on Tai Chi and we are teaching through clubs and through the Aksoba channel. So, and
Okay.
it's entirely on Zoom. So, Tai Chi, of course, is a ancient Chinese martial art. So there are
Mm-hmm.
different forms of Tai Chi, but what we teach is the Sung style of Tai Chi, which is the
Okay.
very slow meditative form of Tai Chi. And it
Okay.
is excellent for de-stressing and, bringing you back to your natural state of being. So it has really picked up in the last 1 year, I would say, because maybe people are realizing more about the natural benefits of Tai Chi and other exercises like yoga.
Yeah.
So Tai Chi is a big part of Aksoba.
Okay. Yeah, I think there is a general there's more awareness about wellness and these practices that you can probably inculcate in your lifestyle a little bit more, given the COVID situation. And also because we are at home, there's a certain limitation to the kind of activities that you can indulge in. So
That's
probably
right.
that has also led to it. And so how do your products and services thing marry each other? I mean, do you also suggest your product usage after your therapies that you provide, or is it
Um,
something which is independent of each other?
Actually, it is very independent, but if
Okay.
somebody is really having some problem, as in, maybe suffering from a migraine on a regular
Hmm.
basis, so Tai Chi itself greatly helps. But in addition to that, we definitely recommend, our eye therapy pack or our
Okay.
sinus therapy pack, which will add
Hmm.
value to, whatever they are doing. But me being, I myself used to suffer a lot with migraine, and I would definitely vouch by Tai Chi and my products because I feel that, the medication which I used to take used to just suppress the migraine. It used to go on for days,
Hmm.
3, 4 days, and I really never got a relief, as in, it's something that has let go from the body. It used to never feel like that.
Correct.
The moment I started really focusing on my, exercise and what I ate, and also using these alternate therapies like my eye therapy pack and also some
Hmm.
essential oils, these things really helped me a lot and able to cope with it better. And the occurrence has also considerably reduced.
Yeah, and your dependence on the medicines also reduces then, right? I mean, which is a
Yes, yeah,
great thing to happen to the body if you can really naturally eliminate some pain. It's definitely a
that's
better
true.
scenario. Yeah.
Definitely, yeah.
So yeah, and I remember initial on in our conversations when we were just starting. I think you were probably the second or the third vendor partner that we talked to, and the product really excited us. If you remember that conversation where we spoke about working with sustainable fabrics, and you were definitely working with cottons, but we had a need for us to look at a more sustainable way of working. So similarly, what are the other, these changes that you've had to bring into the business to make it a little bit more sustainable? Have you had to accommodate much, or were you probably doing a great job to start with itself? Uh,
Yeah, actually, plastic was completely out of the company. We never used bubble wrap or we never used the cling
right,
wraps. So
right,
plastic was just not there. The only thing that we used were the tapes, the brown tape and the transparent tape. We do
correct,
still use that for many vendors because the other organic, I mean, the other eco-friendly tapes are a little more expensive and not many people
correct,
are, willing to pay for that. So we
correct.
do use, but that is something we're really considering. So maybe very soon we'll be removing that as well from our company. But that's the
Yeah.
only thing that we use which is not sustainable. But everything else, like we were using corrugated paper, cardboard, and we were using the regular card boxes. So there
Correct.
is nothing that was having plastic in it. Yeah, and of
Right.
course, with Our Better Planet, we have brought about the organic fabric, which has been a great addition to Aksoba because we have introduced an entire range of organic Upasham products, which is the organic therapy packs. And I think that is not a great feeling for us because it is completely handloom, and
Yeah,
it kind of really makes you feel satisfied because you're helping the manufacturers as well, the weavers. So
correct.
I think that was a great initiative by Our Better Planet, and I think that has brought about a good change for Aksoba.
Yeah, and I think the other good thing that happened was we were very happy to see a collaboration happening between two of our vendor partners. So I think you're working with Magan Khadi to for your fabrics, and
That's right.
they are a social enterprise also. So in turn, right now we are at a situation where even a small help is considerable, right? So I hope the
Yes.
collaboration really goes far. And
Yes.
now we like I also mentioned it to you that Our Better Planet wants to offer a holistic, a holistic, sustainable solution to all our lifestyle issues and problems, and that's why we are also looking at entering into services. I mean, we love we would love to add that to our catalog of offerings, and now we understand that you already are. Offering these services which are towards wellness. I mean, you have yoga sessions and tai chi sessions that you facilitate. So that will be a great addition for our services platform also moving ahead when we get into it, because services has to be a little bit of a more weighed in kind of a movement, because we really need to understand wellness is really well talked about right now. I mean, too many people talk about it, but how many of them really understand it is a question. So we are slowly trying to get there, and I think with your help and with similar vendors, we can definitely make a cartel of products which people can use on a daily basis, activities along with products which facilitate a better living for them, a
Yes.
more conscious kind of environment where they are aware of, that okay, this is how I should be eating, this is how my sleeping should be patterned. I mean, I'm not asking you to become a robot, but kind of being more aware of your uh, because I think it's the need of the hour, right? We have to
Yes.
become a little bit more conscious about our own.
I think there is a lot of awareness which is coming around because I can see it in with Aksoba itself, what was happening
Mm-hmm.
maybe a year and a half back and what's happening now. We can see that lots of people are interested, even with like our eye therapy packs and the sinus therapy packs. Maybe that working from home concept and always on the computer.
Yeah.
This has really brought about people to look at natural ways of healing. But with services, yes, we can see that people are more interested. And the millennials are also interested, which is really a great thing because I think if they bring about a change, there will be a huge change in the whole system. So
Yeah.
I have students who are millennials and who are really liking the Tai Chi, and they are feeling that their feedback is that when they are stressed, they can use Tai
Mm-hmm.
Chi as a way of relaxing their body. So I think definitely it's a need of the hour, and there is a lot of awareness coming around with all these wellness solutions.
Yeah, yeah. And I hope in the future, I mean, of course, millennials are should be our target and should be the people whom we at least focus to get started with, because they're kind of, they are also the kind of influencers at home, because they are the ones who bring in a lot of newer practices inside, and they are the
Yes.
ones who kind of educate the older generation and make them aware of, this is a better option for you and this is how you should probably improvise. So I think that should be the focus area. uh,
Yes.
so there has to be some kind of a innovation and figuring out how do we really target this set of people, because they are a little fickle minded. They can move from one thing to another very easily. But yeah, when it comes to wellness, it is a lot about consistency also. So you can definitely get
Yes.
started, with something, but unless and until you stick to it, it really, I think, it doesn't really show you that kind of a benefit, right? And I think
Yeah,
that's the
definitely.
truth about Tai Chi and skills like that, right?
Yes, yes, definitely. It should be a part of your life, right? I mean,
Yeah,
unless you do it on a regular basis, you really don't see the difference. I mean, you may see it, but it's not really visible, which will really motivate you. So when you
correct,
do it on a regular basis, you will see a considerable difference, and that itself starts motivating you to continue doing it.
correct,
And
correct.
of course, we also work with seniors where we are conducting Tai Chi, and there has been an incredible, benefit for seniors. So,
Mm-hmm.
though that is the that is the category we mainly deal with for Tai Chi, but we also have a few millennials and the middle age group people who come in. But for any exercise, I mean, whether it's Tai Chi, yoga, or
Yeah.
whatever you're doing, right? It should just become a part of your day. And the best part of Tai Chi is, unlike many other exercises, you just require 10 minutes a day, 10 to 15 minutes a day, because the
Oh, that's
entire
very
round,
interesting. Yeah.
and of course, you can do it several times if you want to
Okay.
keep it as a practice for 40 minutes. But the feeling of calm, the feeling of inner, inner, you're feeling more calm internally, you can feel that within 10 minutes because the whole action of Tai Chi is extremely slow. So
Mm-hmm.
you have to, if you really want to feel Tai Chi, then you have to do it really slowly. So
Okay.
that's the best part of Tai Chi. And the other thing about Tai Chi is you need nothing other than just you. You don't need anything.
Okay.
You just need you and your mind. That's it. And
Okay.
Tai Chi actually really pulls you into the present moment. You, without focus, you can't do Tai Chi. You
Okay.
really miss. It's not about people who do it newly. Like for me, I've been doing Tai Chi for 14 years now, and I just feel that I can easily miss a step if I'm not in the moment. So that
Mm-hmm.
that whatever, even if you're doing it for 10 minutes a day, it keeps you focused, and that's a
That's
big thing.
amazing. Yeah,
Yeah,
yeah. It's almost, it sounds as intense as meditation. So, right? I
yeah.
mean, I
Those
find that
different.
the,
Sorry, go
sorry?
ahead.
No, no, I was just saying that, I find it the most difficult part of my yoga practice, wherein I really have to be by myself, and you really have to pull yourself to think from within and just concentrate on a certain, like, one thought or maybe no thought. I find that the most difficult. That it sounds like this practice is centered around that. And
Yeah, Tai Chi is in fact regarded as a meditation in motion. So
oh,
it's
okay,
regarded as
okay.
that. And of late, a lot of research and all people, many people have done research and they have found that it's almost like a medication in motion because it kind of
Okay.
brings you back to the natural
Present
state of
moment.
just being
Oh,
yourself and being that calm within because most of the illnesses like for example diabetes or blood pressure whatever it is, right, it all starts with your lifestyle, the
correct.
stress, the anger or the frustration, whatever it is, right? So Tai Chi
Mm-hmm.
kind of really calms you down and it is a great form of exercise. It can definitely complement our wonderful yoga and meditation.
Sounds amazing. I mean, it almost sounds like I should try one of your sessions and be a part
Definitely.
of it
Why
and
don't you
see.
come around and have a demo class soon so you can
Yeah,
try
I
it
would
out?
love that. I would love that because I'm a very restless soul. So the most difficult part of my day is spending those couple of minutes, which I should be actually increasing from, like, say, a minute or 2 minutes. It should be going upwards, but for me, it's actually all the time coming down. So it's really difficult to just be by yourself and concentrate on a certain thought. So for people like me, it just keeps fluttering. My mind is fluttering from one thought to another and then to another. and then to pull yourself, and I know the importance of it. I mean, I really understand that to keep myself grounded and to calm myself down, I really have to, it's all in the mind, like how we so easily say it, but it
Right.
becomes very difficult when you have to execute it.
Very true.
So yeah, so I would love to try one of the sessions, and then probably I can talk a little
Already
bit
sometime, essentially.
better about it. Yeah, yeah, that would be lovely. And it was lovely talking to you, Shruti. Do
Yeah.
you do
Same
you have
here,
anything
Pallavi.
else to add?
No, I think I would definitely want to thank our Better Planet for, first of all, inviting me for this session today, and secondly, for onboarding all our products, and look forward to a great partnership so that we can reach far and wide and help more people. And I think we sync very well with our ideologies. So I really
Yes,
look
yes.
forward to a great partnership with our Better Planet.
Yeah, and thank you so much for partnering with us. We were in awe of your products as soon as we saw them because we had never seen something like this. And this is so comforting. I mean, it smells nice, it's easy to carry around. I'm talking about the hot and cold packs. It's so easy to just put it in the microwave for a minute and you have it ready and you can use it for about an hour or so with ease. So this is a great product that we are so proud of carrying it on our Better Planet. And very
Thank
soon,
you.
I'm sure we'll list the services as well. And
Thank you.
thank you so much for joining us today, and thanks for your time. Lovely
Thanks,
talking to
Mike.
you.
Thank you for inviting me. Take
Thank
care and
you.
stay
You
safe.
too. Stay
Yeah.
safe. Yeah. Bye. Bye bye.